Alright, Beard fam, let's be real. The Beard Club PT45 trimmer, or the famous T-Blade, has been all over my feed lately. But is it worth your cash, or are you getting played? Let's jump right in. First, the PT45 itself? Solid. I'm talking legit build quality, heavy enough to feel premium but not like you're wielding a brick. The battery? Lasts over 3 hours. Yeah, I barely remember to charge it. And if you're into crisp edges and sharp lines, that T-Blade design is actually a game changer. But let's clear up the sketchy stuff. Most of the scam talk isn't about the trimmer. It's about the Beard Club's subscription beard growth kits and supplements. If you're hoping for a miracle beard from zero, those oils probably won't cut it. And some people got caught in a monthly subscription trap they didn't know about. So, is the PT45 a scam? Nope. The trimmer's the real deal. But be careful if you're clicking around the beard growth kits. Here's a quick how-to, step by step. First, charge the trimmer. Use the display stand or plug it right in. Pick your guide comb. There are 8, all color-coded, giving you 45 length settings. Want clean lines? Go guard-free for that close trim. When trimming, go easy. These blades are sharp, so light pressure is your friend. The head gives you total visibility for those jawline and cheek details. Done? Wipe the blades or rinse underwater. It's fully waterproof. I like to finish with a fragrance-free beard oil to keep my skin happy. And don't forget the travel lock so it doesn't buzz in your bag. Bottom line, the PT45 trimmer? Totally legit for grooming.